Winter is a challenging season for skin health, as it brings cold temperatures, low humidity, and various environmental factors that can negatively affect the skin. This video delves into the physiological changes in the skin during winter, common skin problems associated with the season, and provides practical tips and recommendations to maintain healthy skin during the winter months. Winter is characterized by cold and dry weather, which can lead to a range of skin issues, affecting both the epidermis and dermis. Skin is the body's largest organ, and its health is vital for overall well-being. Understanding the impact of winter on skin is essential for effective skincare during this season. Physiological changes in the skin during winter. During winter, several physiological changes occur in the skin. Decreased humidity. The cold air holds less moisture, leading to lower humidity levels. This results in increased water loss from the skin, leading to dryness and dehydration. Reduced sebum production. The skin's oil production decreases in cold weather, making it prone to dryness and flakiness. Weakening of the skin barrier. Cold temperatures and indoor heating can compromise the skin's natural barrier function, making it more vulnerable to external aggressors. Blood vessel constriction. Blood vessels in the skin constrict in response to cold, leading to reduced circulation, which can cause skin to appear pale or flushed. Common winter skin problems. Dry skin. Low humidity and decreased sebum production can lead to dry and itchy skin. Chapped lips. Cold weather and wind can cause lips to become dry and cracked. Eczema and dermatitis. Existing skin conditions can worsen during winter due to dryness and irritation. Rosacea. People with rosacea may experience more flare-ups in response to the cold. Winter itch. Skin can become itchy and irritated due to low humidity levels. Frostbite. Prolonged exposure to extreme cold can damage skin, leading to frostbite. Strategies for maintaining healthy winter skin. To combat the adverse effects of winter on the skin, individuals should adopt a winter-specific skincare routine. The following strategies are recommended. Moisturize. Use a rich, hydrating moisturizer to combat dryness and maintain skin hydration. Sunscreen. Continue to use sunscreen to protect against UV radiation, which is still present in winter. Avoid hot showers. Hot water can strip the skin of its natural oils. Opt for lukewarm showers instead. Humidifiers. Use a humidifier in indoor spaces to maintain optimal humidity levels. Gentle cleansing. Use mild, fragrance-free cleansers to avoid skin irritation. Lip balm. Apply lip balm regularly to prevent chapped lips. Protective clothing. Wear warm clothing, including gloves and scarves, to protect the skin from harsh weather conditions. Avoid overheating. Overheated indoor spaces can also cause dryness. Keep indoor temperatures moderate. Medical consultation. If skin problems persist or worsen during winter, it is essential to seek medical advice from a dermatologist. They can provide personalized recommendations and treatments for specific skin conditions. Winter can be harsh on the skin, leading to dryness, irritation, and a range of skin problems. Understanding the physiological changes in the skin during winter and adopting a winter-specific skincare routine is crucial for maintaining healthy skin during this season. By following the recommendations provided in this report, individuals can enjoy healthy and radiant skin throughout the winter months.